welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a highly requested recipe, Kung Pao shrimp. Kung Pao shrimp is a luxurious version of Kung Pao chicken. This dish adopts the classic Kung Pao flavor from Sichuan, and it will 100% impress your guests. It is so easy to make, and now let's get started. First, let's prepare the shrimp. Have about a quarter pound of raw peeled shrimp defrosted. I would choose bigger shrimp as well. We will make a cut lengthwise on the back of the shrimp. The purpose of this step is to help the marinade coat the shrimp, and also the shrimp will open up a little when cooked, almost like a flower. If you do this, the shrimp will turn out just like in the restaurant. And of course, this is optional if you're in a rush. Next, we're going to marinate the shrimp with a quarter teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon egg white, and 2 tablespoons potato starch. Mix well so that the marinade fully covers the shrimp. Cover with a plastic wrap and put in the fridge for 20 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare the dry chilies. Simply cut the chilies into 1-inch pieces and shake out the seeds. Today, I'm using the long Argentiao chili from China. These chilies have a mild spicy level and are very fragrant. Chop green onion into 1/2-inch slices. We're only using the white part of the green onion, and it's called 葱白 in Chinese. Slice 2 cloves of garlic and 1 piece of peeled ginger. Slice 1 celery stick at an angle into a diamond shape. Let's prepare the classic Kung Pao sauce. I would follow the proportion closely for this step. Combine 3 teaspoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons zhenjiang vinegar, a quarter teaspoon potato starch, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Mix well until all the sugar dissolves. Add 1½ tablespoon water, mix and set aside. Next, we will roast some cashew nuts. If your cashew comes roasted, you don't have to do this step. In a pan, roast the nuts on medium-low until crispy. I like to top with a little oil to help the roasting. Take out the roasted nuts and top with some salt. In a wok or deep pan, drop in 1 cup of oil. When the oil heats up to about 300 Fahrenheit, drop in the shrimp. Gently separate them. Then add the celery. When the shrimp are half-cooked, drain or take out with a strainer. This poaching process should be done very quickly so that the ingredients are not fully cooked. In a pan, use about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use the oil from the previous step as well. Drop in dry chilies and some Sichuan peppercorn. Slowly cook until you can smell the aroma. Drop in the aromatics, cook until fragrant. Drop in shrimp and celery, stir fry until just cooked. Stir Kung Pao sauce before adding in the pan. Mix well as you can see the sauce thickens. Lastly, mix in the cashews. Mix well and serve. And just like that, the Kung Pao shrimp is completed. This dish won't disappoint if you're trying to impress a guest or just satisfy your own taste buds. What do you think? Super easy, right? Let's give it a try. I can't wait. It smells amazing. The shrimp is super tender and the sweet and sour Kung Pao sauce just coats it so perfectly. Cashew nut. So crunchy. It really adds a different texture to this dish. This dish actually became popular in the 90s of Chengdu because before that, Chengdu actually didn't have any seafood, and it's supposed to be really luxurious and elevated for people to eat. I hope you guys give this recipe a try because it's so delicious and I bet you're gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you next time. Shake. Shake.